Getting a loan from a debit card is a process that allows you to borrow money using your debit card as collateral. This type of loan is often referred to as a debit card loan or cash advance. To get started, you need to have a debit card with a positive balance and a good banking history. First, you need to check if your bank offers debit card loans. Not all banks provide this service, so it is essential to confirm with your bank before proceeding. You can do this by visiting your bank's website, contacting their customer service, or visiting a local branch. Once you have confirmed that your bank offers debit card loans, you can apply for the loan. This can be done online, over the phone, or in person at a bank branch. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and income details. The amount you can borrow will depend on your debit card balance and your banking history. Some banks may also consider your credit score when determining the loan amount. The interest rate and repayment terms will also vary depending on the bank and your loan agreement. To illustrate this process, let's consider an example. Suppose you have a debit card with a balance of $1,000 and you need to borrow $500. Your bank may offer you a loan with an interest rate of 20% and a repayment term of 30 days. This means you will need to repay the loan amount plus the interest within 30 days. It is crucial to carefully review the loan agreement and understand the terms and conditions before accepting the loan. Make sure you can afford the repayments and that you are comfortable with the interest rate and fees. In addition to understanding the loan agreement, it is also essential to consider the pros and cons of getting a loan from a debit card. On the one hand, debit card loans can provide quick access to cash in emergency situations. On the other hand, they can come with high interest rates and fees, which can lead to debt if not managed properly. To avoid debt and make the most of a debit card loan, it is recommended to borrow only what you need, make timely repayments, and avoid rolling over the loan. You should also consider alternative options, such as savings or emergency funds, before taking out a loan. In conclusion, getting a loan from a debit card can be a convenient option in emergency situations. However, it is essential to understand the process, consider the pros and cons, and make informed decisions to avoid debt and financial difficulties. By following these steps and best practices, you can use debit card loans responsibly and make the most of this financial service.